Yes, my friend.
No.
So today we're going to be talking about the project of convection, which is the convection, which is the transfer of thermal energy by circulation in liquids and gases. So we're going to be starting out by pouring hot water into the beaker.
Now this is hot water and this is cold water. So we're going to be putting this tank of water on top of these two beakers.
So this one gets more thermal energy and gets hotter, and this one gets colder.
Okay, now to show the differences in density, let's start by adding liquids. This is red to indicate the hot temperatures. As you can see, in a few minutes, the hot water with the red ink will start to rise. And we're going to be using blue dye to indicate the cold water.
So, depending on convection, the cold water should stay at the bottom and sink the hot water because it's more dense and has more particles far apart. It rises, it should go to the top, and this should replace each other until they all have the same temperature.
And when it reaches thermal equilibrium, basically meaning
when it reaches thermal equilibrium, basically meaning when they all have the same temperature, they should all be the same and mixed up. But now, because they don't have the thermal temperature that are the same, they will do convection until we have the same.
The blue dye which we placed on top of the cold water is actually stays at the bottom because it's more dense than the hot part, which is the red ink it actually stays at the top because it has more thermal energy from the hot water. So if we leave this for a few minutes, we can see that all of the red dye will go up and all of the blue dye will go down. And if we wait more time, it's all going to mix and turn into a green color.